This video will show you 5 things that you can do to manage comments in an annotated Microsoft Word document. So this is the kind of thing that a student would receive from a teacher. So the student has done their works cited page, and the teacher has made comments about things that they can do to improve this works cited page or to avoid errors on future assignments. The number of comments here on the right can be a little bit overwhelming, and it can be a little bit hard to see which one they go to. Like, they have these little dotted lines, but then, it's hard to see what they go to. So, tip number 1, hover your mouse over the highlighted part. So if I click on the document and hover my mouse, I can see that the comment that goes with the word works says use Times New Roman 12 point, please. Okay, so that's one way to see what comment goes with what part of the document. Another thing you can do is you can do the flip side of that and click on the comment. And if you click on the comment, it will expand the comment here, and it'll use a darker highlighting for the part of the document that has that portion. Okay, so that's tip 2, is clicking on a comment. Tip 3 is you can use what's called simple markup. So depending on what your settings are right now, if you go to the review ribbon, it might say all markup, and so it has all of these markups, all of these notes showing on your paper. If you change it to simple markup, it will show you one at a time. So I can click on this and it only shows me the one that I want to look at. I click on this, it only shows me the one I want to look at. That helps me focus a little bit more on which comment goes where. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4 is you can use the option to resolve a comment or mark a comment done. And you can usually see that at the bottom of the comment. So if you click resolve or mark comment done, it grays that comment out, so you know you don't have to worry about it anymore. You've already looked at that one. If you want to get rid of comments, then let's use tip number 5, delete them. Okay, so if you're done with the comment and you don't want to see it anymore, you can come back up here to the review ribbon and click delete to make that comment go away. If you're done with all the comments, you can click this button, right, the little arrow, the chevron, and click delete all comments in document, and they all go away. Okay, so that was 5 tips for how to manage comments on an annotated document. You can hover over the part that has a comment. You can click on the comment itself. You can switch to simple markup. You can resolve the comments, or you can delete the comments. I hope that helps.